If you think about all of the issues of a lost, missing, or stolen laptop, it's centered around the data that is in fact at risk. So for example, some data elements are more risky than others. And I think about the crown jewel in terms of privacy-related issues is probably a health record.
You look at the statistics, the breach statistics, and the hack attacks, the laptop losses and thefts, and a lot of it is healthcare organizations.
You're not just losing a device, you're not just losing a $700 or $1,000 machine, but you're potentially leaving your company's secrets behind. You're potentially leaving healthcare records behind.
And in that record would be probably not just health information, but it might be payment information, because how am I paying for my health services? It would probably include my social security number. It might include other facts that can be used to steal my identity.
The healthcare industry as a whole still has a ways to go to catch up with the financial industry and to catch up with what I guess you would call best practices.
There are real consequences for organizations in healthcare because of new regulations in the United States. The Health and Human Services, the Office of Civil Rights, and the Federal Trade Commission are involved in overseeing the data breach phenomenon in healthcare.
We've had the HIPAA legislation out for a while, and most recently there's the HITECH Act that's basically giving the HIPAA security and privacy rules some teeth and holding all the business associates accountable.
And if you're an organization that's not meeting that obligation seriously, there are tons of costs and fines that can be thrust against you as an organization. So it's a pretty big deal.
And the reason we got into this business, because we want to provide some level of sanity and some level of security to our end customers when they buy Intel's anti-theft technology, and they turn that service on with one of our ecosystem partners like Absolute, like WinMagic, or PGP, who just got acquired by Symantec, that their data and their asset is protected. We want to give them their peace of mind.
It's a hardware-based solution. It's there. It's ready to roll. It's part of the system.
Intel's anti-theft technology is a key component of protecting your data because we are providing that baseline functionality on the platform.
Having that in place, having it enabled and accessible is really going to help in this whole compliance issue when it comes to theft deterrence, recovery, encryption.
That's why in healthcare I believe that an anti-theft technology is enormously valuable.